Have you ever looked at a crypto exchange and felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of trading pairs? Bitcoin to USD, Ethereum to Bitcoin, Solana to USDT, it's like a foreign language. Well, if that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini crypto pairs, breaking down what they are, why they matter, and how you can navigate them like a seasoned pro. Understanding crypto trading pairs is absolutely fundamental to succeeding in this dynamic market. Think of it like a currency exchange at an airport. You don't just buy money, you exchange one currency for another, US dollars for euros, for example. In the crypto world, it's exactly the same. You're always trading one digital asset for another, or a digital asset for a traditional fiat currency. These two assets, traded against each other, form what we call a trading pair. On platforms like Gemini, these pairs are the backbone of all trading activity. They dictate what you can buy, what you can sell, and how you can convert your holdings. Without understanding them, you're essentially flying blind. Knowing the popular pairs, the stablecoin pairs, and even some of the more exotic altcoin pairs can open up a world of opportunities, from simple buying and selling to more advanced strategies like arbitrage. So, let's peel back the layers and uncover the diverse landscape of Gemini's crypto pairs, giving you the knowledge and confidence to make informed trading decisions. The foundation, fiat to crypto pairs. For most newcomers to the crypto space, the journey begins with fiat to crypto pairs. These are the simplest to understand because they involve exchanging your traditional government-issued money, like US dollars, for a cryptocurrency. On Gemini, this is where many users make their first crypto purchase. The most prominent example, and undoubtedly the most popular, is BTC/USD. This pair allows you to buy Bitcoin directly with your US dollars, or sell your Bitcoin to get US dollars back into your bank account. It's the gateway for many to enter and exit the crypto market. Gemini, being a US-regulated exchange, heavily emphasizes these USD pairs, making it a reliable on-ramp and off-ramp for American investors. Similarly, ETH/USD is another foundational pair. Ethereum, as the second-largest cryptocurrency by market cap and the backbone of countless decentralized applications, is a crucial asset for many portfolios. Being able to directly buy and sell ETH with USD simplifies the process immensely. Beyond USD, Gemini also supports other fiat currencies, such as AUD, Australian dollar, CAD, Canadian dollar, Euro, GBP, British pound, and HKD, Hong Kong dollar, for various crypto pairs. For example, you'll find BTC/Euro or ETH/GBP, catering to a global user base and facilitating direct trading without needing to convert to USD first. This broad fiat support is a significant advantage of Gemini, making it accessible to a wider international audience. These fiat to crypto pairs are essential for liquidity and ease of entry. They remove the complex step of first acquiring a base cryptocurrency like Bitcoin before buying other altcoins, making the overall experience much smoother for retail investors. The workhorses, stablecoin pairs. If fiat to crypto pairs are the on-ramps, then stablecoin pairs are the pit stops, offering a crucial haven during market volatility and serving as a common denominator for trading between different cryptocurrencies. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, typically pegged 1:1 to a fiat currency like the US dollar. Gemini is particularly notable for its own regulated stablecoin, the Gemini dollar, GUSD. This is a significant point for many users, as GUSD is one of the most transparent and audited stablecoins in the market. Consequently, you'll find a strong emphasis on GUSD pairs on the Gemini exchange. BTC/GUSD and ETH/GUSD are prime examples. Instead of selling your Bitcoin or Ethereum directly for USD, which might involve bank transfer delays, you can quickly convert them to GUSD. This allows you to lock in profits or mitigate losses during downturns, while keeping your funds within the crypto ecosystem, ready to deploy into another asset when the time is right. Beyond GUSD, Gemini also supports other popular stablecoins, most notably USDT, Tether, and USDC, USD Coin, as well as DAI. This broad stablecoin support provides traders with flexibility and access to wider liquidity pools across the crypto market. You'll see pairs like BTC/USDT, ETH/USDC, and even USDT/GUSD, enabling seamless transfers between different stablecoin ecosystems. Stablecoin pairs are indispensable for active traders. They allow for rapid asset conversion, hedging strategies, and participating in yield-generating opportunities without being exposed to the extreme price swings characteristic of volatile cryptocurrencies. They act as a neutral medium, allowing you to move between different crypto assets without necessarily converting back to traditional fiat. The deep dive, crypto-to-crypto pairs. This is where the real complexity and opportunity often lie, crypto-to-crypto pairs. These pairs involve trading one cryptocurrency directly for another, without ever touching fiat currency. For experienced traders, these are the bread and butter of their strategies, enabling them to capitalize on relative price movements between different digital assets. The most fundamental crypto-to-crypto pair on almost any exchange is ETH/BTC. This pair allows you to exchange Ethereum for Bitcoin, and vice versa. It's a key indicator of the relative strength between the two largest cryptocurrencies and is closely watched by traders. If you believe Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin, you might trade BTC for ETH. Conversely, if you expect Bitcoin to rise faster, you'd move your ETH into BTC. Beyond these giants, Gemini offers a vast array of altcoin-to-crypto pairs, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum often serving as the base currency. For instance, you might find Link/BTC, trading Chainlink against Bitcoin. LTC/ETH, trading Litecoin against Ethereum. Doge/BTC, trading Dogecoin against Bitcoin. SOL/BTC and SOL/ETH, trading Solana against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Solana, being a high-performance blockchain, has seen a surge in popularity, making its trading pairs crucial for those looking to diversify into Layer 1 alternatives. And this is just scratching the surface. Gemini's commitment to expanding its supported assets means a continuously growing list of crypto-to-crypto pairs. You'll find pairs for popular DeFi tokens like AAVE, Comp, and Uni, metaverse and gaming tokens like Mana and Sand, and even newer, emerging assets. The advantages of trading crypto-to-crypto pairs are numerous. They allow you to diversify your portfolio within the crypto ecosystem. Instead of holding only Bitcoin, you can allocate portions of your portfolio to other promising altcoins. Capitalize on relative performance. If you predict one altcoin will outperform another, you can directly exchange them to maximize your gains. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.